Today is Saturday, April 20th. This is the 1976 Cadillac Eldorado speedometer cluster. This is from my friend Jeff in Illinois. The unit has been completely disassembled. The transparent lens cover has been polished and repaired. The flexible circuit board has been repaired and cleaned. Each of the individual spade bulb sockets have been cleaned and tested and all work perfectly. The speedometer has been tested on my Wagner dynamo. And I'm going to go ahead and assemble the unit, and this will be shipping out to my friend Jeff as soon as I get his okay to ship reply confirmation after the final fully embodiment is put back together. This is George in Florida. I have over 375,000 original vintage 1959 through 1976 Cadillac items in my collection, through 78 for the Eldorado. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items. Today is Saturday, April 20th. This is George in Florida. Thank you very kindly.